are at Coronado Springs today in a standing room. Casita is building 2. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour. We're staying here one night pre-cruise. If you haven't seen the Coronado Springs rooms lately, they're nice and modern. They've redone them, they have a lot of storage. Got some doors there to close off the bathroom in the morning if people are still sleeping while you're getting ready. 2 queen-size beds with some cute artwork. Lots of plugs there. There's a refrigerator down there, coffee there in the room, full-size mirror. And a nice closet here with your iron dining board. Lots of storage in the bathroom here. Some nice individual toiletries there. And the shower is beautiful, very big. There is no tub in most of these rooms, just FYI. But the shower is super nice. Nice big size too. So it's a great room. Nice and bright. Thanks for watching.